Hey guys, welcome back in my next video. In last video, I talked about how to speak, where to start, what you should do to master spoken English. In that video, I made you understand that you should master simple structures, simple sentences first in order to master simple sentences, because before moving ahead related to accent related sentences, or you want to be confident when it comes to speaking about anything, you want to be fluent, at that time you should be able to speak. So before jumping on that, I made you understand to master your simple sentences and structure first, try to master and be confident as well as fluent on that, then you can head for accent related sentences. So the video that I uploaded, I hope you like the video and understand whatever I made you understand. Now in this video, now if you are done with the simple sentences and simple structures, now you have gained confident and now you became fluent associated with simple structures or sentences. For example, if somebody will ask you that you have to explain about this object or that object, at that time you means you claim yourself that you can speak confidently associated with that subject or the object, whatever is required to be spoken. Okay, now that I'm here in this video, I will tell you to now you can jump for accent related sentences, because you are done with that. Now the time is to master it, be confident and become fluent associated with accent related sentences. Definitely you will need some portion of grammar to know about that, how to frame out the sentences. If you want to know about grammar, then videos are available on YouTube. You can watch anyone's video, and if you are aware of tenses and all the required things of grammar, now you don't need to think too much on that. Where you have to engage your time is try to write and try to speak, and you can speak like that. You don't have to pick long sentences, no, not at all. At first what you have to do, you can pick very less sentence means, as you can see, using accent related means using any accent. See how it's going. You can speak, Ram eats mango, I am filming my video, I am writing this, I'm going, I am playing, or I will be playing, or any auxiliary verb that you will need, you have to use them so that you can master all the auxiliary verbs, as well as you can move for modal as well. For example, you want to speak, I may get I may get in trouble, or it can I can do it. Like this you can start speaking, so that gradually you become fluent. And when you will pick each and everything, you have to stick it for some time, because there are a lot of auxiliary verbs, as well as you have to follow helping verbs. Then you will this will take your time, and you don't think over time, overnight, over month you will become fluent, or you will gain confident associated with all. No, it's not gonna be possible. What you can make it possible is you have to stick with it for some times, and definitely you will become fluent, you will master it, but you will have to speak more and more. This is the reality that I wanted to share with you guys. Stick with it. Definitely over time you will see some changes within you that you would have gained within you, and you will get amazed seeing yourself. That's the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. I did it. Now your time, now it is your turn, that you have to take it either seriously or normal. It's totally up to you.